How much further down would energy prices have to go to change your quad forecast from 4 to 3 earlier than predicted? So I think the questions we're probably asking, you're in 4 for this quarter, supposed to be in 4 next quarter, but if things get really deflationary this quarter, is it sequential? Is it going to be like an acceleration into Q1? That's kind of the question. I mean,
that's a good point. A really good point. Because the question is, can you stay in quad 4 for 3 quarters as opposed to 2? That's what his question is, right?
Yeah, or maybe 1 instead of
awesome.
Or maybe 1 instead of 3 or 1 instead of 2.
Awesome. I've been rightfully critical of some of your questions because some questions are just not great questions. That is one of the better questions I've heard in a long time, institutional or high net worth person or otherwise. Don't forget that what we call our mass market or individual subscribers are some of the people that pay the people that run all the big money, don't forget. So they have some of the best questions. That I would not be surprised if that's where one of those questions came from. Just to kind of get into the wood on oil, go to slide 40, guys. Don't forget that it's all a year-over-year exercise. When you start to think about the base effects, which is appropriately what the question was referencing, you're talking about the prior period that oil is going to be reported against. So on slide 40, as you can see, in Q1 and Q2 of 2018, the oil prices, the average quarterly, so we're talking about front month crude, the quarterly average price in Q was 67 and 75. Okay? So all you have to do the math on your own is create a model, it's not that hard to create, and create a scenario analysis. You don't have to have some massive model. Again, just pull it forward and you're going to see the slope of this line either go up or down against the base effects. All right? So again, the quarterly average, if it's 75 in Q2 and oil stays at 55 by 45, Q2 you could easily develop quad 4 scenario. So that's an important question, and thank you for it because we haven't had questions like that in a while.